So now we'll see how to convert decimal number system into octal. So what is the base of octal? 8. So the given number or given decimal number must be converted to octal. Okay, so in order to convert any decimal number system to any other number system, we have to divide the given decimal number by to be converted to the base. So in this case, now we have to divide this whole number, like 952 base 10, that is decimal number, that must be divided by what? 8. So that it means we are converting this decimal number system into octal. Okay, so now we'll see how to convert this decimal number into octal. 952, that must be divided by what? 8. So 8 ones are 8, 1 carry, then that becomes 15. We cannot take 8 to the 16 because 16 is greater than 15. So that again we have to take 8 ones are 8 and remainder will be what? 7. That means it becomes 72. Okay, then 8 nines are 72, then remainder will be 0. Okay, so 119 into 8 will be 952. Again we have to divide this number by 8. 8 ones are 8 again, the remainder will be what? 3, because 11 alli 8 odreshta ate 3, then that becomes 39. Okay, then 8 fours are 32, then remainder will be 7. Again we have to divide this 14 by 8, then 8 ones are 8. What is the remainder? 6. We cannot divide this 1, so that 8 zeros are 0 and the remainder will be 1. Okay, for conversion of any, so we have to stop this stage because we are getting a quotient as a 0. So when we are going to get the quotient as 0, at that time we have to stop the conversions. Okay, so this will be considered as what? Most significant digit, and this first remainder will be considered as least significant digit. Okay, first remainder will be considered as least significant digit and last remainder will be considered as most significant digit. So we have to write from most significant digit to least significant. So the output will be what? 1670, base is 8. Okay, so conversion of this 952 base 10 into octal is 1670, base is 8. Okay, this is how we have to convert this decimal number system into octal. So now we'll see another example for this conversion, that is 765 base is 10, that needs to be converted to octal. Okay, 765 divided by 8. So we cannot take a single digit because 7 is lesser than 8, so that we have to take together, that means 76. Okay, 8 nines are 72, the remainder will be what? 4, then it becomes 45. Okay, so 8 fives are 40, remainder will be 5. Again we have to divide, 8 ones are 8, the remainder becomes 1, then it becomes 15. Again 8 ones are 8, remainder will be what? 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, again 8 ones are 8, remainder will be 3. Then 8 zeros are 0 and remainder becomes what? 1. So we have to take this as a most significant digit or most significant bit, then this will be LSD. So first we have to write the MSD, that is 1, then again 3, then 7, then lastly we have to take the least, that is 5. So what is the output for this number? 765 base 10, that needs converted into octal in the sense 1375. Okay, we are not going to get any 9 or any other number which is greater than 7 because we are dealing with a octal number system, that is from 0 to 7, so that the output will be always within the value 7. Okay, we are not going to get greater than 7 value here. Okay, that you have to concentrate. This is how you have to convert any decimal number into octal. So what you have to do, whatever the given decimal number, that must be divided by 8 repeatedly until we are going to get any quotient value becomes 0. At this point we have to stop the conversion. Then we have to write the answer from MSD to LSD. First digit or first remainder will be considered as LSD and last digit will be considered as MSD. Okay, so that we have to write from MSD to LSD, in the sense bottom to top, that we have to take as an answer. Okay, for 952 answer will be 1670 and for 765 answer will be 1375. So this is the conversion regarding decimal system to octal. Thank you.